Hey, what's up guys? This is Brett with Brett's Cell Phone Repair. Today we are going to be doing a Sony or a Samsung Duos. It's a model i9082, GT-i9082. So I just went ahead and took off the backing. Just comes off, peels off like that. Took out the battery. And this one the LCD and the glass is broken, so I'm gonna be repairing both those, LCD and the glass. I've never done one of this before, so it's gonna be an experience for me. I'm just gonna take my time, do my thing. I'm gonna take out the SIM card there too, take out that. And so let's start by unscrewing all the screws. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Looks like 11 screws or so. So just go ahead and start unscrewing those. Okay, so this is going to unsnap somehow. Oh, so this one unsnaps kind of like their tablets right in here. So just take a small little tool and start separating it. There we go. Okay, so there's the backing there. Not too bad, a little tricky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the motherboard now. It looks like screw there. Looks like there's a hidden screw right here next to the vibrator. That's gonna prevent you from trying to take the motherboard out, so make sure you remove that. And it doesn't look like there's anything down here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the loudspeaker. And then this one is for the power button. Looks like it just pops up. See that? Just kind of pops up like that, and then you just remove the connector. And then this looks like for the LCD. Pop that up. This is the front-facing camera. Pop that up. That's going to come out. And then this looks like the Digitizer right there, I think. No, maybe not, something else. And that looks about it. Let's see what happens here. Looks like there's something kind of holding it on. Oh, maybe the rear-facing camera? There we go. Just kind of sitting there. Okay, yeah, so make sure you get the rear-facing camera out of the slot before you yank up on this thing. So there's the motherboard. We're going to put that away, or put that aside. And let's see. Is that? So we're just going to go ahead and start removing this. Be careful of this home button. Okay. Looks like there's a couple of wires too. I mean, I'm just gonna take it easy and be really careful when I'm doing this. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the heat gun out to start removing this. If you don't have one, you might want to try a hair dryer. That might work, but let's see. Let's start up here. So it looks like there's a connector right here for the digitizer. Right down there, if you could see that. Let's see. It pops up that way. And then you just take it out. There we go. So that's for the digitizer right there. Okay. I'm just gonna cut that. Gonna be a lot of glass shards on this one. Okay, so I don't know if there's, let's see. I'm just gonna slowly peel this up because I don't know if there's buttons. Yeah. Looks like there's buttons. So just be careful down there because there's going to be those two side buttons next to the home button that I don't want to tear. So I'm going to go ahead and go like this. So try and separate the buttons down here from the glass when you start taking this up. So you can see there's a button right there that was stuck to the glass. I unstuck. I'm going to do the other side now. Cool. That looked like that worked good. Alrighty. So that's off. And it doesn't look like there's anything on here that we need. So we're going to throw that away. Clean off some of this old adhesive here. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to take up this LCD. There we go. So yeah, if you push back here where the LCD connector is, you can kind of push it up. Alright, that's garbage too. Before I continue here, I'm going to clean up all this glass. So now we can start cleaning off all the old adhesive here. Just going to go around with my screwdriver and clean this up. Oh, so what's up guys? So I got it charged up and looks like everything works good. The LCD is nice and clear and the digitizer is recognizing all the touch, so I think this one is good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down and then just put the screws in the back and that'll finalize this fix, and then I'll go ahead and just clean it up after I'm done. So let's go ahead and start putting all the screws back in that you took out on the back. And actually, before I put the backing back on, it's always a good idea to take your heat gun and just go around the edges, heating up this adhesive, and that gives it a really good seal so that it doesn't come back up. This one probably would not come back up because I cleaned it with that rubbing alcohol, and this adhesive I felt is really strong. So, but just in case, you know, you want to do a good job. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up with this, but that is basically how you do the fix. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that helps you. Like, subscribe if you want to, comment, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.